po ay mga kalalakihan. Mula din po sa Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Edition 2, please welcome John Avila! Ang daming fans ni John. John was in the Araneta Coliseum birthday show. Thank you, John, for doing that with sila Will and Kaya sila mag-uusapan, iba-iba talagang tipo, diba, no? Sabi mo, ikaw, who would you marry among those that you saw? Or
Pwede ba
anyone?
lahat na lang sila?
Okay lang.
Lahat
oo.
eh. Pero
Nasa
ako hindi
timeline
talaga.
lang.
Pero ang papaksalan ko talaga, Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp talaga.
Ako talaga si Patrick Dempsey. Antonio Banderas. Pabago-bago lang yan eh. My future husband.
Marami namang araw sa isang linggo.
Oo, kasi life is short.
Ay, talaga.
Ayoko si Max TV. Anyway, ano ba yan? Okay, I'll start off. Si Dr. Hayden, may I mention it? Total, everybody naman. He's the honey of Dr. Vicky Bello. Doc naman.
Proud honey.
Okay, I'll start with
Pahalata
you.
niyo naman. Yes,
Si
yes.
Doc, because you deal, especially you,
Yes.
in cosmetic surgery and all. So you see all these, you know, what people always complain about their physical appearance. And
Yeah, right.
so, to you, what makes a woman sexy?
Hair.
Buhok!
Hair.
You like long hair?
I
And
don't know. Minsan pag, di ba, kahit nakatalikod lang yung girl, pag nakita mo, sexy to. Minsan, medyo nakaka-disappoint lang pa minsan.
Likod siya.
Pero di ba?
Pag nandito ka,
Ganun, para di siya makaharap.
sabi ni Maylene,
Likod Jenny.
pag nakatalikod, cute. Ayan.
Pero ang tinitingnan mo dun, it's not the butt, usually the hair.
You were not intimidated. I'm just curious because Doc Vicky is very
Well,
successful.
believe it or not, si Vix ano eh, baby yan at heart eh.
Mukha naman. We're all naman little
Very,
girls.
very
no?
matalino, very dominate, well, very ano.
Hindi ka
very-
na-intimidate, Doc.
Hindi siya dominating type na babae. Yun, I think yun yung, kung meron isang nagpapatanggal ng sex appeal ng babae, yun yung not dominating, domineering
Domineering.
na type ng babae. Na parang,
Mas lalaki pa kaysa sa'yo.
always, mas magaling siya sa'yo, mas patalino siya sa'yo, mas bida sa'yo. Parang, come on, kaya mo na pala sarili mo. Go ahead.
Goodbye.
Ano pa ibang girl, di ba?
How long have you been together? May I ask?
2 years.
Riza, what makes a man sexy naman?
Para sa akin po, yung pagkatao nila, a man of integrity, with high moral standing, and a man who's confident and intelligent.
And it's not intimidated by beauty or brains or some woman's success, right?
Yeah, definitely.
But, okay, what initially attracts you to a man?
As far as physical features, I'd have to say mata.
Mata
It really
talaga.
draws you in the
Tuling,
eyes.
banlag.
Mapula. Gusto yata niya mapula.
Oy, ganda ng mata ni Luis. Yeah! Pero, hindi. Anak-anak, sandali. Huwag na tayo muna tumingin dahil nakaka-tantalize talaga to mga kaibigan. Tingnan yung mata nitong si John. What color are your eyes, sweetie?
Green.
They're green.
Yeah.
Oh my
Ang
God.
tatay ko meron siyang blue eyes.
Okay, and your mom's Filipina.
Opo.
So, how does that happen? Blue eyes ang father mo, ang mama mo,
Um,
like Pinay, black,
yeah,
brown,
I
ganyan.
guess I'm just lucky.
Do you have someone in your family that had green
Oh,
eyes?
sorry. Sorry, lucky.
Oo nga pala.
Nangaagaw.
You're so smart talaga, over there, ha? Okay.
Agaw. Alam mo, sino?
Ano yung nagaw?
Nga.
Ayan. Let's go, Luis! Maylene, ikaw, what do you find very appealing in a guy?
Ako talaga, nasa-sexyan ako talaga sa mukha. Tsaka yung dating na parang devil may care. Tsaka gwapo, gusto ko mahaba
Yung
buhok.
mukhang di gagawa ng matino, yung pala,
Oo,
look
pero
lang
matino.
yan. Oh, yung ganda naman, totoo. Luis, ano ang appealing sa'yo? Bago tayo
Ako, seryoso. Hindi ako yung tumitingin kagad sa... For example, sa gimmick ka, yung may lalaki na pinupuna kagad yung sinabi nga ni Doc, yung o kaya yung hindi ko na tutuloy. Pero ako
Ba't tayo
palagi...
matuloy sabihin mo? Baka isipin, Cuba pala yung tinutuloy.
Yung
Tapos may
hinaharap ng
beke.
hinaharap ng isang
Okay.
babae at saka yung kanyang butt. Di ako tumitingin
Okay.
sa ganun. It's always, sa akin, face, tsaka personality.
So, kinakausap mo to get to know her.
Definitely. Kasi at the end of the day, nawawala din naman ng gande.
Oo,
Kung
totoo
matagal lang
yun.
kayo magkasama, yung personality na magdadala sa relasyon niyo.
Galing sumagot. Anak ni Ate B talaga. Proud na proud ako mga kaibigan. Marami pa po tayo pag-uusapan sa aming pagbabalik kong pangalis.
Kamakailan.
Okay. Para sa inyo, mabigat ba? Mabigat meaning matinding dating ng isang babae kapag magandang katawan nito. Si John hasn't answered pa.
Well, ako naman, para sa akin, the girl's face is her identity. So, it's not really, yeah, it's not really,
Kasi sexy naman ang accent nito.
Oo eh. Bretis eh.
Layo-layo ako ko.
Lumayo ang konti. Di tayo bagay. Di tayo bagay.
as for the body, I'm not really, I'm not really Marty when it comes to the body. They can be, morena,
But they have to be
mestiza.
slim or it doesn't
It
matter?
doesn't really matter.
Do they have to be, very, very shapely? Does it matter to you if they have a child and they're not married? And do you like women in black? With red shoes? Hoy, ineng. Pigil-pigilan natin, may TV. Tao. No, seriously.
Yeah, it doesn't really-
When you say it doesn't matter if she's morena or ganyan, but does it matter to men if they're chubby or sexy or
Not
helps
really.
when you're sexy, diba? But
Yeah, but that doesn't really matter to me if they're fat. Kasi mataba ako dati so
see, you know how
Yeah.
it feels.
Soft heart.
yeah, I know
for
how it
that,
feels.
yes.
Yeah. So the beauty comes from the inside, and that's what I say.
Anyway, physical lang ba, I'll ask the boys again, Doc, you first, physical lang ba ang ganda ng isang babae? How's that? I think they answered that already, diba? Para sa inyo, I don't think it's just physical. Luis.
No, I think it's a very good start. Huwag tayo magiging hipokrito na sabihin natin
Yun
na,
ang bait niya. Paano mo alam?
ba mukha naman siyang tuhod. Di mga ganon, di ba?
Sandali!
Naririnig ko yun.
Sandali!
Bakit kasi hindi, naririnig ko yun. May mga taong ganon.
Luis, linawin ko
taong
lang.
ganun.
I've never heard that.
Naririnig ko palagi yan sa paligid ko.
Mukha siya.
Paligid ko, paligid ko,
Tuhod?
tita. May ganon ako naririnig.
You look like my knee?
Parang
Ganon?
tita, baniwala kayo sa hindi, meron akong kilala na nagsasabi po nun.
Ayoko makakilala mo mukhang pimple.
Okay.
Ano ba yun?
Ngayon, tatanungin ko naman ang mga girls. Lisa, you start. Ano naman ang para sa inyo ang appealing sa isang lalaki?
Di ko naman nag-overtake you.
Siguro, as I said before, yung mata, and yung mukha, syempre.
Sige, body-wise.
And when body-wise, I'd have to say abs.
Abs talaga. Pero hindi basta-basta nakikita naman yun. Hindi ka pwede naman. Hindi ka pwede naman sa
O
bar.
na ikaw. Hindi, gusto niyo makita ang katawan ni Luis?
ganan.
Oh, hi, I'm Luis. Look at my abs.
Hindi, pwede naman to some degree pag gumimik yung mga lalaki na nakahanging na.
Pero, natatawa ko kung gusto niyo makita po ang katawan ni Luis. Bilhin niyo po yung DVD ng cute ng ina mo.
Yes.
Ni Ay, sexy mo anak.
I know.
I know. We're the same. Sexy. I
Ano
know.
pa, tita? Thank you.
Okay. What do you guys do para mapanatiling pagiging sexy? The men, do you go to the gym regularly?
Well, I go to the gym every 3 times a week. Yes, every 6:30 in the morning. So,
Wow.
ang regimen ko, the moment I wake up at 6 o'clock, takbo, I go at 6:30 hanggang mga 8:30, and then I go home, I meditate a bit. It's part of my regimen.
Si Riza, do you go to the gym also?
Now that I'm out of the Big Brother's house, I'm going to the gym regularly.
When you were in PBB, how was that? Wala, meron naman
meron
doon
gym sa loob?
equipment, diba?
Meron, pero yung medyo mahirap kasi there's only 2 shower calls, and if you miss it sa umaga, it's kind of...
Pag na-miss mo yung unang
Yeah.
call, parang may camera na pagligo mo.
hindi naman.
Nakatakot,
Kasi you're only allowed to take a shower when there's a shower call, so medyo natatamad ako kasi
Hindi naman
gusto
dahil,
ko
Lisa.
maligo pagkatapos ng mag-workout.
Huwag na maligo.
Hindi naman natitipid sa tubig. Kasi hit na hit yung show eh, di ba? No, but meron silang routine. Was it hard? Is it hard being in the house?
Hindi naman. It was iba. It was different. But hindi naman mahirap. It's just a different environment and
Pero
very,
pag
very
ganun,
enclosed area.
you are in an environment with a certain number of guys. And may I ask if you were attracted to one? Who was it that
John,
you
for
were most,
example.
yeah, who you were most attracted to?
Si William.
Oh, ang tingin ng audience, si Will.
Uy,
All
sexy
unanimous.
yun.
Ay, napakagwapo ni Will. What about, si John? You said you were chubby before.
Yeah, nag-gym ako araw-araw. I try to.
Every day?
Yeah, I try to when I have time. So, I look after myself by watching my diet, watching TV.
Alam mo, may billboard siya dati sa EDSA. Tuwing nadadaan ako, Sige. Cute! Yung tatlong po.
Alam mo, Jan, I don't know if you've noticed, she seems to like you, ah. Parang she type you.
I'm just being friendly. I'm
type you.
I'm
Bagay
really
kayo.
a friendly person.
Ibang-iba yung tingin.
She can, you know, she always...
Meron ba?
May ganun ba? Parang kami, magbabalik po kami.